Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And finally I got it done. I just got done putting finish one side on my car. Speaking of the headlights, I put one new headlight in. I swapped all the bulbs because I bought new bulbs, good ones, and then those LEDs for the turn signal that we talked about before that didn't really work and still only work 90%. And of course nice bulbs for the headlights, for the low beams and the high beams. Let's have a look. So here's the comparison. Here's the old light with the LED signal, of course, but still the old light. And here's the new one. And I'm not sure if the camera shows it, but the light is a lot more crisp and looks a lot better. So this here is an LED turn signal bulb. That's an LED side marker. We have a standard bulb in there because if we put an LED in, this one will hyper flash the whole time. This one here, it is an Osram cool blue light bulb, and I'm trying these out, see how they work. And this one is a Sylvania Ultra, I believe. And I would have to check, I'm not sure right now. This is the Osram. There you go, see what they look like. Yeah, Osram is basically Sylvania as well, and they make quality light bulbs for cars. I've had them for a very long time in many cars. So this is the difference. It's hard to tell, I know. Oh, let's give it a try. Let's try that signal one more time here. Turn signal on. Seems to work without hyper flashing, right? What do you think? Looks good. And that's a regular bulb here. Sadly, if I put an LED in, this hyper flashes the whole time. Right now, it still hyper flashes sometimes, which kind of irritates me, but it does, and at this point I'll just leave it the way it is. These are the brights, the high beams. You can see a difference in the pattern there too, and a difference in the color, of course, too. This one is a more blue whitish light. The other one is more yellow, but it's not so blue that it looks stupid, you know. It still looks pretty nice. See that? All right. One more time. Now, if I turn on the parking lights, I have a whole new picture here. See, you can tell this one looks brighter than the other one. I'm not sure why yet. I'll have to get after that later. That's the parking light. Look how bright that is. It's that one. If you look right at it, it looks bright too. I don't know why they look so bright. It is weird. But now, see, when I signal, the problems start. There. Signals right for a moment, then it starts hyper flashing. See that? Even with this bulb in here. It drives me nuts. I don't know why it does that. So, probably not going to drive with my parking lights on. Let's do the other side. Goes normal. Ah. It's not hyper. Oh, there it goes. Ha. See how weird that is? Now it starts hyper flashing. I do not know why. And no, the bulbs are not burnt at the rear here, like some of you guys said. They're good. See? They're good. Both bulbs are good. So it has nothing to do with that. I thought about it as well. So it drives me nuts. But yeah, I'll have to look at that. I'm not sure yet what to think of it. Lights off. Signals normal. I hope it does. Yeah, looks like it. Looks like it goes well. The other one signals normal as well. Here we go. Really bright. And to turn the hazards on. And it still seems like this one's brighter than the other one, and I don't know why. Maybe it's just the way the wall is, or maybe the floor is a little higher on this. I don't know, it's weird. And no, this here is not for the town car, it's for the Mercedes that has that transmission that kind of leaks a little bit. See, they don't, there's not much of a difference now, is there? Anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish this project. When we have both bulbs in, I'll go for a night ride and we'll see what it looks like, alright? So hang in there, I'm gonna finish this. Hi guys, welcome in my Lincoln Town car with the new headlights. And got them all on, and here's the test ride. I put the camera outside on the road and I drove up and down with the parking lights on, with the high beams on, low beams on, so I'll show that in a second. One thing I noticed, it is way darker outside than the camera shows it. So if I look at the GoPro even right now while driving here, it looks like it's fairly bright. Like you would get away with no headlights on, but that's not so. So keep that in mind. The other thing I noticed about the headlights, you need to adjust them. Look at the pattern. Isn't it too low? What do you think? I think it is. So I do need to adjust them, and I have to look up how to do that myself. I know where the screw is to do it, but I don't know how they needed to be adjusted to be correct. So I have to look that up, and if someone wants to let me know in the comments, you're welcome to do that. It's a wonderful night even here in Utah today. I mean even it was pretty hot today again, but it's a wonderful night. So yeah, so far about the town car. So let's go for a short cruise here, and while it gets darker, we'll look at the lights. Here we go, nobody's coming. Look at all the cows here. Don't wake up the cows. I think they're still awake. Yeah, it's kind of farmland around here. Thing. Not bad. Anyways, we're talking about the lights. I think they are decently bright. They seem normal. They're not like extremely blue or anything, you know, like some of the aftermarket bulbs. Let's do the brights. Yeah, look pretty good too, but yeah, I really need to adjust them. I think they're too low, see? I'm not happy with that. I really have to adjust them, and then I'll have to go for a ride again. I'm not gonna do that today though. There's been a lot going on lately, and I'm a little bit short on time, let's say it that way. So that, yeah, I do things one step at a time. So yeah, I hope you bear with me. Another thing I noticed, the parking lights, they look pretty bright, and those are LEDs, LED turn signal bulbs. I have plenty of videos about that. Please go watch them if you haven't, and you'll see that those parking lights, I don't know why they're so bright. Look at the stop sign, it's orange. It's for the parking lights, isn't it? Yeah, I think it is. I mean, that's crazy. Stop and go. So that's completely crazy that they are so bright. I mean, it's okay. It's a safety feature too, I guess, you know. But when you signal, they get even brighter. So it's not like they're always on the brightest mode like when the turn signal is on. No, that's not so. There's people walking in the road here. Kind of scary, you know, you can't see them. But yeah, it's just how it is. I could see the kids' shoes light up. Now let's do the turn signal, see what it does on the stop sign. Look at that. Left. Whoop. Yeah, don't hyper flash for a second. Most times it doesn't hyper flash, so I'm okay with that. Occasional hyper flash I can handle. Yeah, I can handle that. Well, yeah, what else is going on? Not too much to tell you guys right now. I think after this project here, I'll drive my town car more often and enjoy it. You know, after I got hit by the deer, this kind of taught me, you know, you gotta enjoy the cars while they're driving and not just park them away. Same with my Shelby. I'm using it more often now. Let's go up here. I think right, there's a little parking lot up there by the old post office, so we can park there and look at the lights from the outside. I think there is. It's cooling down now at night. Notice that it's cooling down quite a bit. Another stop sign here. Stop signs everywhere here, around here. That's just how it is. Sometimes a yield sign would be enough, but nope. Gotta put up a stop sign. Okay, there's a school bus out. Here's the parking lot, and I just missed it. I can get into it from here too. Another stop sign. Let's just do this because the road is up there. I'm not on the main road here. Go in here and stop right here, so I can hop out for a second and we'll look at those lights together. By the way, the gas mileage is not good now, and it's just because I've been idling a lot and testing. Okay, side marker works good. And oh yeah, that those parking lights, they are bright. Look at that. They are bright. Both sides are bright. That's why it looks so orangey. I'm not sure I like that. On the other hand, it's something nice about it. Orange parking light on an American car. It's kind of typical American style, you know. Look at that air, really bright though. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to think about it if I leave it that way or not. I may have to take them out and put some different bulbs in. I wish they would be further away from the headlight so it wouldn't look as funny. Yeah, rear non-LED except for the license plate, and it looks good. I just love the way the town car looks like. It just looks classy, and yeah, it's just a wonderful car. Just beautiful car. Let's do the turn signal one more time just for fun. Don't you dare and hyper flash now, that ruined my night. Nope, works. Look at that, it's even brighter now. Unbelievable how bright they are. Holy cow. Yeah. Oh, there we go. See that? Hyper flashes sometimes. I guess I can handle that. So here's the thing, I'll just leave those bulbs in. Once they start getting too annoying and hyper flash too much, or I just feel like I have orange headlights, I'll take them out and put normal bulbs in or different brand of LEDs. I think that's what I'm doing. Alright, look at that, new cars on the truck, and there's police and he's getting pulled over. Let's see, we can see that. He's getting pulled over. I don't want to see that, sorry guys, that's just... Yep, there he is up there, can you see it? Cop car, and he pulled the truck over. I wonder why, but doesn't matter to me as long as I don't get pulled over. Hope I don't get pulled over for those lights. Nah, should be alright. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for all of your likes and subscribes and sharing the videos. And like I said last time, please check out my walking video channel, Enthusiast Walking Tours 1. I would really enjoy if you would subscribe there as well. You know, I enjoy traveling, I enjoy walking, I have so many hobbies too that I enjoy, so I could make more channels, but I'm not doing that. I just decided to do this one because I had a lot of people enjoying those walking channels. Yeah, we'll go this way, we'll see what the police car does, and then we'll head home. Thanks for being with me, and see you in the next video. Hopefully when I have those lights adjusted, so we can look at them again together when they are adjusted. Hang in there and have fun. Have a good weekend.